right side, Ariana.
Ariana, looking right, please. Ariana.
Ariana, one more time, Ariana. Ariana, you're right.
Ladies to the left!
Ariana, together. Thank you.
And Ariana, one more time.
Ariana, the front of the dress!
Ariana.
The front of the dress, please.
Ariana, can we see the front, Ariana, please. Ariana, please, the front. And Cynthia, Ariana, those smiles on the right side together. Ariana, Cynthia.
Together, ladies. Cynthia,
And those smiles together.
I don't know if I expected that kind of reception.
Come on, looks. Okay, fashion. I mean, at this point, be honest. Are you tired of the green and pink yet? Or are you loving it?
No, we love.
Never, right?
Never.
tired.
No.
We love it. There are so many different ways to interpret them.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. And we're not
Different
just
shades
pink and green.
No.
Yeah.
We mix it up a little
Yeah.
bit.
Boy, they really do look good together, don't they?
We tears yet. The night is
It's a
young.
beautiful thing.
Yes.
I'm really sorry. We're really sorry.
It just happens.
It's really
It happens.
emotional.
We can't help it. We're trying our best. But there's a lot of emotional things that happen, and we're just going with it.
Yeah, you need to understand. It's
We're
been like
weeping,
3 years, people.
Sopping hearts.
There's a lot
We've had to
going
keep
on.
this in for such a long time.
And it's a full